Remember when I was low, time trap in front of the stove. Hot fences on the police, from handcuffs to rollies. These hoes didn't know a nigga, now she claims she know me. I been counting up the bag, yeah. I get the load of bag, I'm fucking up yens. Go get the birdie, nigga, I need some hens. 30 before 30, I been setting trends. Hop on the Forbes, I hop on the Forbes, I hop on the Forbes. I been counting millions every time I board. Spend your whole budget in the designer store. Walk inside my closet, it's designer galore. Bad bitch, give me yaya in the door. Bad bitch, give me flooding my wrist is wet. I'm about to pack the whole house, put it inside the suitcase. Put my dick inside her mouth like it's Crest toothpaste. Yeah, she gave me head like a toupee. Got 20 hoes, they all my roommates. 10 in the bed, 10 in the...
Yep, perfectly. Sneeze like a bitch.
They sent me some more tire letters. They sent me the permanent ones this time.
Permanent tire letters.
So they said these were only supposed to last a week. That's why I wasn't staying.
In case you didn't like them, these.
Yeah.
They won't let up today.
I don't know what you're doing, but you're making these really weird sounds. I don't know if it's sneezes or what, but I think you're trying to avoid helping me with my issue.
No, not at all. That's why I called you.
Wickerbill installed today. Voice kind of gone.
Yep, get rid of it.
Country 106.7 The Ride. Brooke and Juno in the mornings. Second date update.
We're in the middle of a second date update, and Mark is on the phone today. He wants us to call a girl named Elizabeth. They met on a local bar, and Mark actually presented her with a brochure about himself because his friends told him that they think he's not successful at dating because he talks about himself too much. The interesting thing is, we talked about the last date, and I didn't realize we didn't really much on her. We mostly had all Mark. And that's what I said.
We know nothing about her.
Yeah, Mark, give us one thing about Elizabeth. What's her hair color?
That is not, you're not committing to a color even.
So we can get on the phone and find out what went wrong on your date.
And we never asked you, did you actually explain why you gave her the brochure?